In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Nintendo Switch Pro controller and Joy-Cons on your PC for Steam games. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting, this guide will help you integrate your controllers seamlessly, so you can enjoy your favorite Steam games with ease. First things first, let's get your Nintendo Switch Pro controller connected to your PC. You're going to want to ensure your controller is linked either by a USB cable or via Bluetooth. If you're opting for Bluetooth, head to your PC settings and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then hold down the small button on the top of the Pro controller until the lights start flashing. This means it's ready to pair. On your PC, find your device in the list of available Bluetooth connections and connect. Next, it's time to open up your Steam application. Double click on your Steam shortcut or find it from your Start menu. Once Steam is open, go ahead and click on Login. Input your account name and password carefully to make sure you're signed in properly. Once that's done, hit sign in to proceed. When you're logged into Steam, you'll want to ensure your controller settings are correctly configured. Look up at the top left corner of Steam and click on Steam, then descend down to Settings. From the sidebar on the left, select Controller. Here, you will want to ensure that you turn on or enable Steam input specifically for Switch Pro controllers. This option might be listed as Enable Steam input for Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. It's crucial to turn off Steam input for generic controllers to avoid any input conflicts. Having done that, you'll need to close the Settings tab. Now close the Steam application entirely by clicking on Steam again and selecting Exit. Once you've rebooted, open up Steam once more. This step is important because it ensures that your recent changes take effect. After reopening Steam, click on Library to view your list of games. If you have non-Steam games you want to play with your controller, go to the bottom left corner and click Add a Game and then add a non-Steam game. You'll see a list of installed programs where you should find the Epic Games launcher, or whichever non-Steam game application you've got. Select it and then click Add Selected Programs. Finally, on your Steam library's left sidebar, you'll see the Epic Games launcher added. Click on it and then simply hit Play. Your Nintendo Switch Pro controller should now be functioning properly, allowing you to start gaming with it. If everything is working as it should, you're now ready to dive into the world of Steam gaming with your Nintendo controller. Enjoy the experience and happy gaming.